Hello, welcome to bamboo reinforced concrete manhole covers. This product are the patent applicated product. This is the sustainable creativity in science for global welfare introduced by Mrs. Sonam Bhopatrao and Dr. Shilpa Kevte, Department of Civil Engineering, Mahatma Education Society's Pilla HOC College of Engineering and Technology, Rasaini. Our vision, mission and values: use an environment friendly product to create employment in rural areas. An innovative product create employment, global welfare, reduces carbon footprint. This research work connects to major initiative taken by the Prime Minister of India. Now I will like to tell you what is the manhole cover. It is a removable lid on the opening of manhole. This is the grade of manhole cover, and there are the 4 type of grades of manhole cover, but for our research work we are using the light duty, that is LD 2.5. This type of manhole cover comes under the category of LD 2.5 and it is suitable for pedestrian networks and low traffic areas, also the pathways, gardens and parks and residential areas. There are some alternatives available for the reinforcement material in the market, that are the steel, bamboo, fiber reinforced plastic, that is FRP, and teak wood. Among all these material, the bamboo is the very good and superior material. So why only bamboo reinforced concrete manhole cover? Because bamboo plant releases more oxygen into the environment. It can be grown cheaply and has several environmental advantages. Its tensile strength is also insufficient, and the average modulus of elasticity value is taken as 1.5 into 10 raised to 4 Newton per mm square. This chart is showing the how superior is bamboo reinforced manhole cover than the conventional one. In case of the conventional, that is steel reinforced manhole cover, more carbon footprints are there and the cost is quite more. So in case of newly developed product, the less carbon footprints, cost is also reduced. Theft issue is not present in case of bamboo reinforced manhole cover, and the opportunity to local farmers during the manufacturing is given, and saving the materials like oil, coal, natural gases and nuclear energy. This flowchart is showing the whole methodology from start to end of the construction process of bamboo reinforced manhole cover. SWOT analysis is also done for the bamboo plant, that is the strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threats of the bamboo plant are given in this. Result of load test on manhole cover. This bamboo reinforced manhole cover are tested from the certified lab. We can see in this diagram the test setup is shown in the diagram. Then this is the chart showing the load test results. In case of the circular bamboo reinforced manhole cover, the load of 49.92 kN is registered, and in case of rectangular bamboo reinforced manhole cover, the load of 43.82 kN is registered. But according to the IS 25 kN load, it should be registered. So load test results are also in the permissible limit. This is the original copy of the load test results from the Structwell Lab, Pune. Cost analysis is also done for newly developed product. We can see from these charts the cost is quite less than the steel reinforced manhole cover. Then the carbon footprint analysis is also done. In case of the steel reinforced, 7.87 kg carbon is emitted, and in case of bamboo reinforced manhole cover, 4.43 kg carbon is emitted into the environment, which is quite less than the steel reinforced manhole cover. Conclusion: newly developed product has registered a maximum load of 49.92 kN, which satisfy the target load of 25 kN as per IS 12592-2002. Using bamboo reinforcement in manhole covers the cost can be reduced up to 13%. The carbon footprint emission can be reduced by up to 57% by using the bamboo reinforcement in the manhole cover. This is the best oral presentation award we have got in the international conference AMEIIM 2022 from the National Institute of Technology, Raipur. Then this project topic is participated in business idea exhibition organized by IIC at PHCET. Here is the appreciation letter from Karjat Nagar Palika we have got for this bamboo reinforced manhole cover. And the last but not least, introduction of our team, Dr. Shilpa Kevte ma'am and Mrs. Sonam Prasad Bhopatrao. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.